this is Gilbert Gottfried, and this is for Daniel and Adam, and it's being sent by Zach Brown. Zach wants to invite you, Dan and Adam, to his PhD defense meeting at Columbia, where he bullshits the topic, how the low-status insecure compensate with jargon. Okay? All right? So, Daniel and Adam, if you're the ones teaching him, you should be ashamed of yourself. Because this is total bullshit. It's bullshit, and it's bullshit covering up the fact that Zach is an idiot. That's the worst kind of bullshit, where Zach says, I don't know anything, so I'll bullshit my way through. And, Daniel and Adam, I hope you can live with your conscience when Zach is sleeping in a subway station, okay? 'Cause you're the ones responsible. And now his work sucks, and everybody knows it, and I want you to blame yourselves.